Welcome to the channel. Today we're reviewing the 5 best half-inch corded hammer drills, 2026, chosen for their durability, precision, and versatility. Corded hammer drills remain essential for contractors, builders, and DIY enthusiasts who need consistent power for drilling into concrete, brick, and stone. These models feature variable speed controls, safety clutches, and ergonomic designs to ensure efficient drilling with maximum control. With trusted names like Weber, CZI, and DeWalt, this lineup covers everything from home renovation to heavy-duty construction projects. Let's explore the top 5 corded hammer drills that combine strength, reliability, and industrial performance. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Weber Hammer Drill. The Weber Hammer Drill is a professional-grade SDS Plus rotary hammer designed for heavy-duty applications. Featuring an 8-amp motor, it delivers consistent power for drilling into concrete, brick, and stone. Compact yet powerful, it balances durability with precision, offering a safety clutch for enhanced protection during operation. Ergonomic design ensures comfort, while variable speed control provides flexibility for different tasks. Weber includes multiple functions, making it suitable for chipping, drilling, and demolition work. This hammer drill is ideal for contractors and professionals seeking a reliable corded tool that combines industrial strength, safety, and consistent performance for demanding construction projects. Number 2. SDS Plus Rotary Hammer Drill. The SDS Plus Rotary Hammer Drill is a versatile option featuring a 9-amp motor and 4 functions in one. Delivering variable speeds, it ensures efficient drilling into concrete, brick, and masonry. Compact yet robust, it balances affordability with performance, offering a safety clutch for added protection. The package includes 3 drill bits, 2 chisels, and a carrying case, making it ready for immediate use. Ergonomic design enhances comfort, while durable construction guarantees long service life. This drill is perfect for contractors and DIY enthusiasts seeking a dependable rotary hammer that combines versatility, durability, and consistent performance for everyday projects. Number 3. CZI Hammer Drill. The CZI Hammer Drill is a cordless SDS Plus rotary hammer designed for versatility. Featuring a brushless motor, it delivers 2.8 J of impact energy with 4 operating modes for drilling, chiseling, and hammering. Compact yet powerful, it balances portability with performance, offering a safety clutch for added protection. The package includes 2 4.0Ah batteries, charger, chisels, and drill bits, ensuring convenience for immediate use. Ergonomic design enhances comfort, while durable construction guarantees reliability. CZI delivers a strong option for homeowners and contractors seeking a cordless hammer drill that combines advanced features, portability, and consistent performance for concrete drilling and renovation projects. Number 4. Corded Hammer Drill. The corded hammer drill is a practical option featuring a 5.8-amp motor and a 1/2-inch variable speed design. Compact yet reliable, it balances affordability with performance, offering multi-angle auxiliary handles for improved control. With speeds up to 3,000 revolutions per minute, it ensures efficient drilling across wood, concrete, and plastic. Ergonomic design enhances comfort, while durable construction guarantees long service life. Although it does not include drill bits, its professional design ensures compatibility with standard accessories. This drill is ideal for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts seeking a dependable corded hammer drill for versatile applications in everyday projects. Number 5. DeWalt Hammer Drill. The DeWalt Hammer Drill is a professional option featuring a 10-amp motor and a 1/2-inch pistol grip design. Delivering consistent power, it's ideal for drilling into concrete, brick, and stone. Compact yet powerful, it balances durability with precision, offering variable speed control for flexibility across different materials. Ergonomic design ensures comfort, while DeWalt's reputation for reliability guarantees long service life. This hammer drill is perfect for contractors and professionals seeking a corded tool that combines industrial strength, advanced engineering, and consistent performance for demanding construction projects. That wraps up our list of the 5 best half-inch corded hammer drills, 2026. From Weber's heavy-duty rotary hammer to DeWalt's professional pistol grip drill, each option offers unique strengths for contractors, builders, and DIY enthusiasts. SDS Plus models provide versatility with multiple functions, while CZI adds cordless convenience for renovation projects. Whether you prioritize industrial strength, portability, or everyday usability, this lineup ensures reliable performance for drilling into concrete, brick, and stone. Corded hammer drills remain a trusted choice for consistent power, making them perfect for construction and home improvement tasks. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and keep your projects powered with the right 1/2 inch corded hammer drill.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.